got a plan.
We should have welded some
How you want to do this, Rudy?
What?
How do you want to do this?
I think that would be better than this long, super long distance.
Good morning. So today is the first day of the Winter Jamboree here in Hurricane, and Matt went out with Alan and the crew at Yankum Ropes and some other friends, and left us here to do the dirty work. So we're going to get it down to Vegas, get it bed lined, and bring it back, and hopefully start working on it next week.
Let's go. I'm going too.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, party in Vegas.
So, if you look off in the distance, you can see the bright light city that will set your soul on fire.
You can see nothing but the road. That's okay.
If you can, back the trailer up or the right here and just roll it off. Okay, perfect. I've never seen a wagon one.
Yeah, they made them in '61.
What are you guys doing to it?
So we put it's a Jeep.
What?
Hey Lizzie, you want to start popping straps?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's some more, like the power steering pump goes there. So
Okay.
we want to leave that flat. Radiator, we need that. It fits pretty tight in there, so we need to leave that flat. Basically the same thing in the engine compartment, wherever there's,
Mounting points.
yeah.
Or
It wants to go that way, but it's not hard to.
Does it fit completely upside down? Or
Yeah.
no? Okay.
As long as you don't change the height,
Oh no,
which
I'm
I don't
not
think
gonna
you'd want
touch
to.
it.
Guess what? You're never gonna believe this. We got a rental car and it's a freaking sick Camaro. I've never driven a convertible, never driven a sports car, I guess you would say. It's gonna be fantastic.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good, one job. Looks smooth. Yeah, this is literally like my first time ever driving in a big city like this. And it's kind of freaking me out.
It's about $5 an onion. We got food, finally.
We finally got food.
Where are we going?
To go play on some go-karts that go 46 miles an hour.
Who's gonna win, Trevor?
Me.
Yellow's growing. It's kind of a lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow.
That green one over there with those cars. Whoopsies.
Arms aren't long enough.
Let's see how good I can drive and hold it. Up here.
Up there.
You guys good? Let's get you going. Hit the gas.
Okay, that's a bundle of fun.
So you got off the track and you got off the track. I don't think me and Lizzie ever did, right?
I never caught you.
Nope. Oh my head.
Let's go look at these cars. So they say our wristband lets us check out the cars. So.
Green one she loves and she can't sit.
Wait, what is this? This is a McLaren.
This is like my second favorite color of green. It's just a little dark, but I still really like it.
All right, I gotta go sit in the Ferrari. They say this is the fastest car on their track.
How do I open it? What's happening?
How do you open it from out here?
It's the button.
Like out in here? Oh, right here. Did you find it in there?
Yeah.
All right.
Which one has the racing stripes?
This one.
Huh? Oh, this is a Pista. What's that?
We're gonna go drift.
We're gonna
So
drift.
it's 2 and 2, so two riders each
All right.
in each car. So. Woo! Yeah! Whatever.
Yeah.
I'm a Hellcat fan.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
So awesome.
Fun.
That was so fun.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, that was great.
Oh my gosh, my stomach was like
Anyway, I don't care. We got plenty of time to make it back.
All right, well, we're back in the tow truck. We finally pried Lizzie out of that Camaro. Yeah, we're headed home. We'll get the Corvair.
On Monday. They ran out of material. So they couldn't get it done today. So we've got to come back Monday.
Awesome. So much fun. I whooped him at go-karts.
Oh, whatever. I was right behind you.
Something for me? Did you stay under budget?